Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope will be well. Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this videos. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in it. All the designs before brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video fashion related, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for self. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I shared with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember prayer, and bye.